Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the border of table cells in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change the border of table cells. Firstly, going to the insert menu option, then click for table option. Now choose a table and column, row and column, then show, then research your table. That is, now change the border table of cells. Now select from a all table. Now going to the edit option. Now click for a 3pt and click for line color option, then click for NSS color and click for all border option. That is, then you show since the border of table cells in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.